Gwenna, what are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
We're skydiving. Are you crazy?
Yes.
Who else is here? Who else have we got here today?
My son and three of my grandchildren.
Yeah. Who else is jumping?
And a friend are all jumping with me. 6 of us.
Crazy. You've been wanting to do this for a long time?
Oh, yes.
From the moment we're born, growing older is natural, inevitable, and affects our health in some way as we age. Everyone ages differently, and no matter how your body is changing, you can still enjoy good health and even slower reverse the progression of aging if you make healthy choices for yourself and stay engaged in your community. It can be hard for anyone to eat healthy foods. Sometimes you just feel like eating the easiest thing to make or settle for something that doesn't have great nutritional value. If you can make the effort to eat healthier and find out what foods you should be eating, that can go a long way to making you feel more satisfied and energized after your meals. Megan Wallace, a dietitian with Alberta Health Services, has tips on nutrition and how seniors can eat healthier.
Eat a balanced diet. You want to try and include all 4 food groups at a meal. So you want to try and get your vegetables and fruit, your grain products, your milk and alternatives. If you're not drinking milk anymore, if you find it upsets your stomach, choosing a fortified soy beverage, or even just eating a good amount of yogurt per day can help you. Healthy eating is important because it's going to help you have more energy, you're going to feel better, you maintain strong bones and muscles. Maintaining strong bones and muscles and having energy is really important for independence because it allows you to continue on with your activities of daily living or the things that you do at home.
Staying active is the single biggest thing you can do to slow down the aging process. Whatever your age, exercising can have a positive effect on your physical and emotional health. Match your level of physical activities to your abilities. Do an activity that you feel comfortable doing and will motivate you to stay active. Bonnie McKay, a co-chair on the Edmonton Seniors Coordinating Council, says active living provides many benefits for seniors.
Active living promotes independence by keeping you physically strong, mentally alert, emotionally healthy, and perhaps spiritually connected. It gives you purpose and motivation, builds your self-esteem, brings joy to your life, inspires gratitude for what you're able to do to help yourself and others, gives hope and meaning to your life, and above all, prolongs your life. The more involved you are, the more active you are, the more engaged you are, the healthier you will be.
Seniors who are struggling to remain safe and independent in their own homes can turn to home care for help. Home care programs provide personal care services and are a great starting point to help you figure out the health and social services that are available to you. Denis Haicha, the Zone Director of Home Care in Edmonton, says getting home care may not be as difficult a process as people think.
The eligibility criteria for home care is that you have an Alberta Health Care number and that you've been a resident of Alberta, have Alberta Health Care coverage, and that you actually have a place. We need a place to go to when we provide home care and have an assessed unmet need. How can you access home care? You can refer yourself. You can a family physician or another healthcare provider from a family member or a friend. What's really critical is that there is consent, that you want to receive services as well too.
SAGE, the Senior Association of Greater Edmonton, is an example of an organization that seniors can go to for programs, services, and social engagement. Bonnie McKay mentioned senior centers all over the province, such as SAGE, are great places for seniors to go to avoid social isolation. She also says there are lots of other ways for seniors to stay involved in the community as well.
Get involved, join groups, volunteer, work on political campaigns, join a constituency association, read to children, take part in as many intergenerational activities as possible for the good of the children, many of whom will have no contact with older adults. Be friendly, be open to new things, keep learning. Become active in senior centers, community leagues, faith communities. A third is to help each other. Take another senior with you when you attend something, especially a new Canadian or an isolated senior. Seniors helping seniors is a wonderful model for the rest of society to emulate. Make your mantra, I want to do as much as I can, as well as I can, for as long as I can.
Seniors are an asset, they're not a burden, they do have things to contribute, and if you can just remain active and motivated to be involved, they have an awful lot to give back to the community and can continue continue to do that well into advanced age.